This is how to play Mini Matches Rugby. First thing to do is set up the rugby posts, so slot the posts into the match box. Now it's time to assemble the rugby ball, so slot these 4 pieces together like so. Place flags at each corner of the table. This will be your pitch. Choose a team colour, then flip the coin to decide who will kick off. Use your finger to flick the ball backwards towards your player card. The aim is to get the ball beyond the game line towards the try line. Repeat this for 10 phases before turning over, allowing the other team to play their 10 phases. A try is scored when the ball lands in the area between the flags at the end of the table. After scoring a try, you get a chance to convert, so use your finger to flick the ball over the posts. After the conversion, whether successful or not, the scoring team can continue from the centre with another 10 phases. If the ball does not move past the gain line when passing back, a scrum is called. Place the scrum over the ball. Now both teams use the hooker legs to win possession of the ball. If the ball goes beyond the dead ball line, the attacking team continue with their remaining phases from the centre line. If the ball goes into touch, then a line out is played. The defending team must flick the ball through the hole between the line out pieces. If successful, they gain possession with 10 phases. If the ball hits the edge, then the attacking team is given an attempt to flick through. Attempts alternate until a successful line out is made. First to 12 points wins the game, 5 points for a try and 2 points for a conversion.